No more in Philippines? You go home na? When? You said you are in Leyte. You last called me. You said you are in Leyte. So now you are in Nigeria already. Why you don't tell me that you go home? You are not including me as your friend in Philippines. Because you don't tell me if you go home in Nigeria. Hmm? I want, but I have work. Yeah. But I have no visa. I have no passport. Hmm. I'm not like you. Hmm? Promise? Okay. I try. I try, huh? But why? You didn't come back here in Philippines? But you didn't come back here in Philippines anymore? Oh, when? After how many years? So sad. So much. It's okay. Balubal is okay. Balubal is okay. House in Balubal or how is Balubal? Election day. Election day. That was May 12. May 12 ba? Oh yeah, yeah. That was May 12. It's election day. Yeah, I go home in Balubal. Father Distos, is miss you so much. I have plan to to get a visa and gun so that you can go to me. You didn't tell me that you go home. Oy, you didn't allow me as your friend na oy because you don't tell me that you go home in Nigeria already. I thought you're in Philippines. No, 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 you don't tell me oy. You say that you are in Leyte. I miss you so much. Yes. I always leave a message, di ba? I always leave a message to you, but you don't reply my message anymore. And now you call me, then you tell me that you are in Nigeria already? You, last time you called me, you told me that you are in Leyte. You don't told me that you go home in Nigeria. Okay, your explanation is accepted. Okay. Then where are you now? That's house in your house or outside? You are in shopping house? Okay. Why? Why? Your car is okay. Okay. Your car? Hmm? House my live in? It's okay. It's okay. Fine. My daughter is fine. What about my daughter is okay. Ano na, she's school. Grade 12. No, not yet. It's grade 12. Next year I have college already. Yes. Hmm? Yes. Yes, grade 12 now. So next year I have college already. Yeah. So you went back here in Philippines so that you can see my daughter graduate. You promised me. You promised me. Walang. I miss you so much. Your ano, your joke, you're not funny joke. I wish you're not funny joke. Yes. Oh, my father is have a many joke but not funny. Okay, okay. You say it. The girl that said that I don't teach you the kanang bad kuan words. She said na she said na don't teach father the bad words, ha? Mm. Mm. What? Oh yes, yes, yes. Yes, I already I fixed my things na to go home. Mm. So call me back tomorrow or tonight. What is the time in Nigeria now? 12 noon? Ah, 11:05. Oh, buntag. Buntag. Nagpa-fix mo siya. 11:05. Buntag. Yeah. Morning. Buntag. You said buntag. What is buntag? Hmm? No? That's morning. Buntag is morning. Kumusta is? How are you? Mm. Oh, may buntag. Yes. Very good. Tagdugay mo na siya. Maayong udto. What is that maayong udto? What is maayong udto? Maayong udto. Very good! Bye, ma'am. Bye now. Say bye. Bye. She go home already. What is maayong gabi eh? Yay! Very good! Very good! Very good. Gabi. You're so very, ano ha, intelligent. Yeah, yata yung puri ka ko yung tudluan nila. What else that did you know Bisaya? What else? That you remember Bisaya? What else? Mga unta. Mga unta. Ha? What? Cebuano, what is Cebuano? Unsa man? What did you the speech of Cebuano do you know? Tagalog. What is Tagalog did you know? Hmm. Hmm. What? Ano? What is the meaning of mga unta? No, mga unta. Mga unta. Kaon. Eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Oh, mga unta. Let's eat. Mm. 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 Yay! Father is so intelligent. Didn't know na some Bisaya words. Yay! So, you, you better back in a Philippines ha. I miss you na. If I did not have a visa, you better back in a Philippines. I miss you so much. Hello, friend of Father. Hi. How are you? Father is my friend. Oh. What? Okay, okay, okay. Bye.